Hello all and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to introduce you to one of the most powerful PDF reader and editor I have ever used. This application is PDF Agile and it helps to create, edit, convert, compress and even secure your PDF documents. The user interface of PDF Agile is similar to any Office application, enabling you to easily edit any PDF documents by modifying its content, insert the text, images and erase the content which is not needed. PDF Agile comes with very powerful conversion capabilities and you can easily convert PDF files into all different formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text, image and even CAD drawings. Not just that, you can convert all these different formats back to PDF as well. I have personally tried all these conversion features and it does it very effectively without affecting your original formatting. Using PDF Agile, you can organize your PDF documents by extracting, inserting or deleting any pages. You can add page numbers, adjust the size, crop and rotate the pages, insert stamp, watermarks, headers and footers and the list goes on. It also has very powerful OCR feature and it will help to extract text from any images or scanned PDF documents. PDF Agile is also very useful PDF reader and comes with 3 different reading modes like reader mode, full screen mode and slideshow to enhance your reading experience. Overall, PDF Agile is a complete PDF solution for all your PDF needs. Let's download this application using this option, install it and then explore all its important features. So let's get started. So this is the user interface of PDF Agile and as I said before, it is pretty much same as any Office application. To open any PDF file, you can go to File menu and then choose Open or just use this Open File option. Select the file you want and then click on Open. So this is the sample PDF I will be using in this video and it has normal text, images and tables so that you can feel the effectiveness of PDF Agile when I start showing its features. So to read any PDF file, just go to Read tab and here you will find 3 different modes. Read mode will hide all menu items and helps to focus only on the PDF document. Full screen mode will hide entire user interface of PDF Agile and shows only PDF file. You can scroll through each page using arrow keys or using middle button on your mouse. Slides mode also works in the similar way, but the difference is it keeps background as black and when you use arrow keys or middle button on your mouse, it jumps each page instead of scrolling through. There are also options to adjust the zoom level of PDF pages. Rotate the pages as per your need. Change the view patterns. Grab the screenshot of any important point and save it as PDF directly. Last but not the least, you can change the background color of entire PDF document and it really helps to improve the reading experience without affecting your eyes. OCR, I will cover it separately in later portion of this video, so stay tuned to check out that important feature. Now let's see how easily you can edit your PDF document by selecting Edit in the top menu and automatically you can see each element is now selectable and editable. You will find few important editing options under main edit menu which are pretty much straightforward and also you will find some edit option on the right side menu which is similar to PowerPoint. And of course, these options will change as you select text or image in your PDF document. So let's jump back to the top menu again. By default, edit option is enabled and it helps to edit text section by adding new text or deleting it. You can select any element and move it freely around your document. Use add text option to add new text element and type in your text. You can easily change the font type using the right side menu, adjust the size, make it bold, italic, strike through and align it properly. Next, use insert image option to add any images into PDF document. Adjust the size by dragging over corners and place it as required. Right side menu now shows option to rotate the image, even crop it. It works similar to PowerPoint. Flip it and few other similar options. Next is eraser option and it is used to remove any portion from the PDF document. Choose the color if needed, drag over any text and it gets removed. You can also add signature to your document or create a new one if required. You can add custom signature, adjust the color and size, and then insert it. You can also type in the text and add it as your signature, or upload your signature image if you already have it. Next option is for adding page numbers. Select the location, choose the style, exclude any pages if required, set the font, and then click on insert page number. As simple as that. Using next option, you can easily add watermarks. Either you can choose inbuilt watermarks or even add your own. Next option is for adding links into your PDF. It can be any page number within the document, any web page, or any external file. Next option is page edit, and it comes very handy when you want to edit many pages. It basically shows all the pages and few important editing options on each page so that you can easily edit the way you want. Last three options, as the name itself says, are used to insert new page, delete any existing pages, or even crop any pages. That covers most of the editing options, and next we will see how we can use PDF Agile to convert PDF into different file formats. Let's jump directly into Convert tab, and here you will find bunch of options, and no matter which option you choose, you will get the same pop-up window with all these options available in single screen. This is actually good and definitely saves time while converting to different file formats. Now let's start with World file format. Here in the middle, you can set the range of pages if needed. At the bottom, you can set the output path. I'm keeping it same as my original file folder, and then click on Start Conversion. Once done, you can click on Open File to preview it. You can clearly see the formatting is same as original file even after conversion. Similarly, you can convert it to Excel file format, and each PDF page will be exported into different Excel sheets. Let's convert it to PPT file, and each page will be exported into separate slides. Following the same step, you can convert PDF into images and text as well. Now to convert PDF into DWG file, you must have CAD drawing in PDF format. Let me first delete this sample PDF and re-add CAD drawing file, and then click on Start Conversion. It will successfully convert the file, but sorry I cannot preview it as I don't have supporting application for that. Next, as a reverse process, you can convert Word, Excel, PPT, images, text, and even DWG files into PDF format. The procedure remains the same. We also have few important features to ease our PDF editing, like Split PDF will take the page number size input and splits the document into two separate files at that position. Merge PDF will do exactly opposite operation as that of Split PDF. Encryption will help us to set password to our PDF document. Extract pages and delete page options again take page number size input and extracts or delete those pages from the PDF document. Extract pick pulls only images from your document, and compressor helps to reduce the file size of your PDF document without losing its quality. Pretty much straightforward features and very easy to use. Feel free to try them out. In the next section of this video, I will cover two important features, that is Scan to Word and OCR feature. Using Scan to Word option, you can easily convert scanned PDF documents into editable Word document. As an example, let me open a scanned PDF and you will see a notification stating that it is a scanned copy. Now let's open Scan to Word option and then start the conversion process. After it completes, let's open this file and you can see entire content of scanned PDF is now selectable and editable. Next is OCR, and it works in similar way, but the input for this will be JPEG or PNG image files. Let me enter into OCR option and then add an image file and then start conversion. After it completes, let's open this file and you can see entire content of image file is now selectable and editable. I personally like these two features and it will definitely save our lot of time. The last section of this video is on the free online tools. On the official website of PDF Agile, you will find a section of online tools, and these free tools will help to convert PDF into different file formats and even different file formats back to PDF as well. It's worth mentioning, all these online tools are totally free. To show a demo, let me choose PDF to Word option and then select a file to convert and then click on Convert. Once it completes, you can download your converted file. Even online tools will convert the files without affecting their original formatting. I personally feel PDF Agile is a very powerful tool and will ease our many PDF editing activities. As a promotional offer, PDF Agile is offering 1 month free subscription of premium account for all the viewers. Necessary links and redeem codes are provided in the video description below. Feel free to use it and don't forget to give any valuable feedbacks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.